Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hi to Tech World. I welcome you again. After a long time, we are back and we are back with a very good playlist. Today, we are going to start a new playlist in which we are going to upload all the new animation tools, learning videos, all the new animation tools which are available in the market today, which we can use to create lot lot of awesome animation videos. Okay, so to start with this playlist, this animation tutorials, we are starting with the tool called Plotagon Studio. I will attach the link of Plotagon Studio in the video's description, which you can use to download this amazing tool. So it has hell lot of scenes. It has around close to 70 to 80 scenes which you can use and create awesome, amazing videos. Okay, so let's get started, guys, with the first video of this Plotagon Studios animation tutorials. Okay, after Plotagon, we will go to Canva. We will also do animation using AI, using chat gpt. Okay, so a lot of learning is going to come in 1 month. In coming 1 month, I'm going to upload a lot of videos on this animation tutorial. So let's get started with the first video on Plotagon Studio. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a forest scene. Okay, so simply I have gone to ChatGPT and created a small story of two boys boys who have met after a long time. So it has given me all the dialogues of two friends who have reunited after a long time. Okay. So these are the dialogues. So how we will do it? How we will create our amazing animation video? So this is our scene. You have to simply go and this is the full video which I have generated. So I am going to generate a scene for you. So you have to just click here a scene. In the scene button, you have to click scene button, and here is amazing scenes. They have backdrop scenes, they have fantasy scenes, they have healthcare scenes. Healthcare include all the hospital scene, doctor, pharmacy, operating rooms, patient rooms, hospital corridor, hospital closet, service desk, group meeting, crime lab, padded cell, like this lot of scenes. So and in this tutorial I will use these scenes to make amazing videos for you so that you can also use this tool and create amazing animation videos. Okay, so for this scene we have used a forest scene. Okay, forest village layout. You have to just select this layout and after that you have to select the actors. Okay, so in this tool you can add up to two actors. As this scene is about two actors, so you can add up to two actors. Okay, got it, guys? So after adding those characters, what will be the next step is to add to adjust their positions. If one is on the bridge right, other should be on the bridge left. Okay, so this second character has to be this guy. Okay, so both are standing in front of each other. So if you want to add dialogue, you have to go to dialogue here. Select Jerry's dialogue. Okay, and this is an amazing feature which they give. There is the expression. What expression should be in this face? Neutral, proud, or UPIs, happy expression is there, sad expression is there. In this is cry is very sad. There is a dancing in which he will be dancing, disgusting, disgusted. Okay, so in this we will select a very normal kind of and just expression that is happy, and then you will write something I bro, how are you? Okay. And now is the important thing. When you play here in the mic option, there is an option called import voice file. You want that he should speak your voice. If you want that he should speak what you speak, then you can also add that feature also in this. This is an amazing feature which Plotagon Studio gives you, that you can import your own voice into your videos. Okay, guys, so this is a really amazing feature which this gives. Or else, it also has their its own also. Okay, so if you play here,
Hi, bro. How are you?
you got it right. He is saying, "Hi, bro. How are you?" This is their application generated voice. If you want that, you should speak your voice, and you have to here import voice file. Hi, bro. How are you? Okay, and import is done. Okay. Now, if I play here, hi, bro. How are you? Got it, guys. This is my voice. Okay, but what I have imported. So, isn't it amazing feature which this gives? Isn't it something mind blowing feature which this app has? So yeah, it is amazing. Here you can add second characters dialogue also. That hi, I'm fine. What about you?
Hi. Hi, I am fine. What about you? Hi, I am fine. What about you?
Right? Isn't it amazing? So like this, it's very easy. You have to just click on that. What I've done is I've generated a story here in the chat GPT, a small story. I have copied this dialogues. Ben Thompson, is that really you? First dialogue. Second dialogue, same copy paste. Alex Carter, no way. Same dialogue I pasted here. Like this, keep on, you have to paste all your dialogues here. And after pasting your dialogue, then your second most important thing is what should be the characters, because by default they give the expression as neutral. But like if you go to the top, Ben Thompson and these two guys are meeting after years. So their expression should be good. Okay, guys, the expression should be really good. So that is very important. After copy pasting the dialogues which ChatGPT has generated, you have to adjust their expression. That is the most important thing that you have to take care. Okay, after adjusting the expression, then you can play play according to what dialogue you want to play. Suppose you want to test this dialogue, select this dialogue and then hit this play button. It will.
Yeah, and we ended up making friends with those locals who helped us fix the car. Some of the best memories of my life. Same here, Alex.
Right? You have to select and play and select the expression. That is this expression matching what I want. If you can, they give around close to 50 expressions, so it's really nice. You can select their expression also. Okay? And after once your video is ready, your story is ready, here is the render option. You have to just go here, select the render video and select your resolution. It gives 4K resolution. That is really amazing. And then render, and that's it. You got your video. You got your story. So guys, I hope you understood this. It's very simple. Anyone can create an animation video, a simple animation video which is really interesting, which is really awesome in just 10 minutes. And in this video, we have learned that one. Okay, so are you excited to watch the video which we have generated? Okay, guys, so let's watch it.
Ben? Ben Thompson? Is that really you? Alex? Alex Carter? No way. Man, it's been what? 10 years? Come inside. What brings you to this part of town? Just moved back here for a new job. I was grabbing a coffee when I thought I recognized you. Well, here I am, in the flesh. Still hanging around the old neighborhood. What kind of job did you get? I'm managing a startup now. It's in the tech sector. Pretty exciting stuff. What about you? What are you up to these days? Still teaching high school history. I've been doing some writing on the side, too. Working on my second book now. That's awesome. I always knew you had a way with words. What's the book about? It's a historical fiction novel set in the Civil War. Trying to bring some of those old stories to life in a new way. That sounds fascinating. You always did have a passion for history. Remember our history debates back in school? Oh, those were epic. We could argue for hours. Good times, man. So, are you still into basketball? I remember you used to be unbeatable on the court. I play in a local league on weekends. Keeps me active. You should join us sometime. I might just take you up on that. I haven't played in years, but it would be fun to get back into it. Definitely. We could use a good player like you. And it'd be like old times. Speaking of old times, remember our summer road trip after graduation? That was one for the books. How could I forget? The car broke down in the middle of nowhere, and we had to camp out by the side of the road. That was an adventure. Yeah, and we ended up making friends with those locals who helped us fix the car. Some of the best memories of my life. Same here, Alex. Same here. Pauses. It's really great to see you again. We should make sure we don't lose touch this time. Absolutely. Let's catch up more often. Maybe we can start with that basketball game this weekend? It's a date. Welcome back, Alex. It's like you never left. Thanks, Ben. It's good to be back.